going to take you through all the steps from setting it up through your group to uploading with Shop the Row. I'm going to use Perfect Tea. And if you notice in Shop the Row, Perfect Tea is spelled T-E-E. Now, putting the T-E-E after and having it set up just like it is or named just like it is in Shop the Row, it's going to help with that smart post. As you can see, like the classic tea and perfect tea. So I'm just going to go back over here and I'm going to grab something just as kind of a placeholder for us. See if I can find perfect. Of course, I'm going to have trouble finding it just because I'm showing you right now, so I apologize. Okay, here it is. Alright, so I'm just going to upload Perfect Tea. Now, I'm sure that you're putting all one style in one album, so I'm going to upload the sizers. The sizers kind of like placeholders or whatever. I normally don't do it with these, but I'm going to in this case. Alright, and I'm going to hit open. And all these are going to upload, and this is going to be your shell that you upload to. This is what Shop the Row is going to attach itself to. And we're going to pretend that I have all my styles listed. I'm just going to post this. Okay. Now that it's uploaded here, I'm going back over to Shop the Row. And I'm going to go into my listings. Now, you're doing yours manually, which is totally fine. You can do it that way. I know that I'm uploading perfects. So I'm going to touch on my Perfect Tea Small. And it's going to pull all of these up. And I'm just going to hit Select All. Now, I'm going to go down to Post Selected to Facebook. Now, this right here is going to show me everything that I'm admin of. This one, I'm going to find this particular group that I just created the shell in, which is Over the Rainbow VIP Lounge. And I'm going to come back over here and make sure that this matches to Over the Rainbow VIP Lounge. And as you can see, it's loading albums. So I'm going to go here and touch on Perfect Tea because that's what I'm uploading. Okay, I'm uploading Perfect Teas. Now, if you're doing it individually, manually, you have to copy and paste every time, okay? Now, of course, you figured out how to do the scheduling, which is fantastic, so I'm just going to go ahead and go with that. And tomorrow is January 11th, and I think you had your set for 7 Eastern time. Oops. So there's 7 Eastern. And list and post to Facebook later. So I've now been scheduled. And when I go here and click on system status, it's going to show me that it's been queued. Which I'm not getting the thing that you were getting, but it's been queued. Now, if I were to use the smart post, I'm just going to go back into listings and grab on this one. Okay, the smart post. Just going to give it a minute to work. And you can see my group already says Over the Rainbow VIP Lounge. Now, I don't have albums created for these yet, okay? But my Perfect Tee, these are currently queued to post to the group, but we know only my extra small is, and it's not going to allow me to do it again, okay? So what I'm going to do is go back over here into Create Album, and I'm going to create an album for my Randys. Okay, and I'm just going to go in here and grab the cover. All right, I'm going to get that posted. All right, now my Randy is showing, so I'm going to go back into Shop the Row now. And now Randy, there are 7 listed, and this is on the Smart Post, and it's not updated yet. So I'm just going to refresh my screen. All right, and my Randy, where it's finding that in that particular group, it's highlighted green. So now on the Smart Post, it's going to upload all those together, and I only have to copy and paste one time. Okay, so I'm going to schedule it to post later, and it's already scheduled for this individual date and post later. All right. Now, that's how you use the Smart Post, and that's the difference between uploading manually. When you're uploading manually, you want to do each size and each style individually, and you're going to have to copy and paste those, okay? Before, I only did my Randy extra small, my Perfect extra small, and now I'm doing my Perfect small. So I'll have to select all of these to upload, and this is my manual once again. Post selected to Facebook. And that's going to go in my Perfect Tee album. And of course, here we go again. I'm going to have to copy and paste. And list and schedule to post to Facebook later. And it's already set. And there you go. Now, really quickly, where you have already scheduled yours to post, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here to Randy. I'm going to show you how to delete those and go back and redo them. Okay? So we know that I scheduled all my Randy to post. All right, now I'm going to go here and I'm going to click Cancel Queued Facebook Post. All right, and this way you don't have to worry about all those uploading to Carly. So I'm going to do this for the entire group. Yes, Cancel Queued Facebook Post. All right, and I'm just going to go over here to my Perfect Tee and make sure that these are canceled as well. All right, select all, cancel. All right, now all those are canceled. And now if we go back in and recreate everything once again, I'm just going to show you the difference again between Smart Post and manual. Smart Post, I'm going to click on that. I'm going to make sure it's in the correct matching group. Okay, and now it's showing me Randy, and it's showing me Perfect Tee because I have now created both of those shells, so it's picking up. And like I said, this is with the Smart Post. Okay. So now I can actually go in. Oops. So now I can actually go in and do all these at one time. Okay, and you're not going to have to keep clicking and stuff like that. And now I can just schedule it to post later. I hope that helped. We'll talk to you soon.